Hey guys, so we have an unboxing here of the Xiaomi Mi 9. And as you can already tell, pretty awesome box art. Pretty cool hologram effect there. And we'll just get right to it. Alright, so we got a packet. This also has a pretty cool hologram. Alright, so we have a headphone jack adapter. Fortunately, no headphone jack with it. And a free case. Right there's Mi 9. And I'm going to take a look in a few. And then also the power adapter. A USB Type-C cable. And that's it. Alright guys, so let's check out the phone. Man, that is a pretty nice looking effect. So this is a flagship phone at an excellent price point. Not as good specs as the Galaxy S10 for example, but much better price. So let's check out the free case. I mean, it's pretty simple, but yeah, I mean, this is not going to protect your phone much from a drop, but good for scratches. Alright guys, let's go over the specs. So the phone is 6.4 inch screen display, it's 1080p. Also an in-display fingerprint, which is actually starting to become the norm now. Still pretty awesome though. We also have a pretty small notch at the top there. 20 MP camera. And on the back there's 3 cameras. One of them is telephoto. And another one is wide angle. Also, unfortunately, there's no Microsd, no headphone jack, but you do have USB Type-C. The phone also has the latest Snapdragon 855, 8GB of RAM, only a 3300 capacity battery, which is kind of small, but yeah guys, I mean, aside from that, pretty good specs. And finally, the price is about $500 in the US. Alright guys, this was a brief first video, but of course a lot more planned. So as always, thanks for watching, subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments below what video you want to see next.